Okay, welcome back to another video. I've got two new Sony speakers today, so I'm going to be unboxing the first of them here, which is the XE300. I was quite surprised to see these. They're a very weird looking design of speaker, actually quite ugly I think this one is, to be honest, but won't be judging it off that. The box looks very boring, very I mean, it's just cheap cardboard with a black and white picture of the speaker on it, a bit of logo on the side, nothing overly exciting. I know the Sony boxes have never been anything, the unboxing experience has never really been anything to call home about, but this is definitely cheaper than their previous ones. So we've got some manuals in the top here, yeah, just manuals, probably a warranty in there as well, stuff that no one ever looks at. We've then got a normal USB to USB-C cable here. Well, that won't focus, which is pretty standard. And we can lift these bits up. And we've got this tab at the top which looks like it pulls out. And a little cloth bag basically. So we'll pull the speaker out, coming out with the bass, nothing else in there, so this is literally it. And then yeah, we've got this very cheap looking material here. Let's see if I can pull it down. Yeah, okay, so material off, and we've got, I mean, it is still, I think, quite ugly, but quite nice materials actually. This is a very soft touch plastic, which it's definitely be good for protection as well. That kind of stuff just tends to bounce about. And then you've got this material which is really nice, like meshy stuff, which is actually very nice, to be fair. On the back here we've got a little port which is just going to be our charger, so that's all that's in there, obviously just to keep it waterproof. And then on this side we've got some buttons, so power, charge indicator, Bluetooth, pause, up and down, stamina mode, and a mute mic. So actually quite a lot of controls. Clearly it's got a mic in it as well, so very good for voice assistants and stuff like that, and cooling. An IP67 waterproof rating and 24 hours of battery supposedly. Line shaped diffuser, so I'm not entirely sure where the sound is coming from. I'm going to assume it comes out of the front here, so it kind of shoots that direction. Hence, well, that's what this picture looks like anyway. So not a 360-degree speaker, but I will talk about that more in a full review. As far as the unboxing goes, very boring, very plain, to be honest. But I guess they've cut corners there so that they can put more money and time into the product itself, hopefully, which we'll see in the review. So if you look forward to that, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel.